Everything degrades over time. Metal objects are usually the victims of rust. Fortunately, there are several ways to combat rust, such as manually removing it with sandpaper, wire brushes, acid and chemical-based rust removers, or a rust converter. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best rust converter in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Corrosion water-based rust converter. Whether users are restoring a car, lawn furniture, tools, or a boat, Corrosion's rust converter is a powerful solution to troublesome rust. After a little surface prep with a wire brush, apply this converter with a brush, roller, or spray bottle. Even though it's a thin solution, it usually requires only a single coat to restore rusted material while simultaneously priming it with a durable latex primer. The water-based formula is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and environmentally friendly. Number 2. FDC Rust Converter Ultra. FDC Rust Converter Ultra rises above the competition with its excellent coverage and compatibility in a variety of applications. Whereas other rust converters may get around 200 to 250 square feet of coverage with a gallon, the FDC Rust Converter gets a whopping 500 square feet of coverage with a single gallon. Plus, it's more affordable than other rust converters, though FDC does suggest applying to coats. FDC Rust Converter Ultra also works on a variety of metal surfaces, including railings, tools, automobiles, machinery, and boats. The product can be applied with a brush, roller, or pump sprayer and requires no thinning. It dries in just 20 minutes and is fully cured in 2 days. FDC Rust Converter Ultra comes in 1-gallon bottles. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer Spray. For converting rust into an inert substance at a relatively affordable price, Rust-Oleum's Rust Reformer Spray is hard to beat. Rust-Oleum incorporates any-angle spray technology that allows the user to disperse the converter from any position, even upside down. The oil-based formula uses rust prevention additives to hinder additional rust formation and to keep rust from spreading to surrounding metal surfaces. Surfaces are dry to the touch in 20 to 40 minutes, but the small quantity in each 10.25-ounce can of the converter and primer likely means multiple cans would be required to finish a large project. Number 4. Rust Could-Tear Rust Converter. Rust Could-Tear uses a unique chemical conversion process to convert rust into a paintable phosphate coating. It comes ready to use with an attached sprayer head, but the head detaches to allow coverage via a brush or roller. Rust Could-Tear also offers a 1-gallon jug. Expect an impressive 600 square feet of coverage per gallon of formula. Once applied, the surface is ready to use or be painted in 24 hours. It can often take multiple coats to get the job done, and after each coat, users must wash off the material residue that's left on the surface from the chemical reaction. Number 5. Gempler's Eco-Friendly RCQ Rust Converter. Gempler's Rust Converter is a water-based formula that's not only easy to clean up but is also environmentally safe. This liquid-based converter goes on with a paint brush or sponge. The company also sells a special sprayable version of this product. Once applied, it converts the rust, works to prevent rust, and also primes the surface. Gempler's Rust Converter cures in just 48 hours, after which the surface can be repainted. Gemplers recommends using enol-based paint for maximum protection from weather. That was our list of the top 5 best rust converter in 2023 just for you.